All right, everybody, today we're gonna look at a Super C. This is the first time we've actually looked at a Super C. This one is a Valencia. And as you can see, it's absolutely enormous, right? These are actually built on commercial chassis. This one, as you can see, is on a Freightliner chassis, all right? We're kind of stuck in here, so I can't get a lot of the outside very well, but I'll do my best, okay? As you see, it's got a Girard awning that goes all the way down. You do have an outdoor TV system. Now, one of the big differences between the regular Class Cs and the Super Cs is you have more storage underneath. Okay, this is Swintech slide. As you see, it also has the frameless windows. Now, this will have a pretty big towing capacity. I don't know what it is. I'll have to look it up for you guys, and I'll put it in the description. There is a backup camera already mounted up there for you. And again, I can't get to the other side because of how it's in there, so we're just gonna go straight inside. All right. Well, hey, fancy meeting you here. How are you doing?
Just fine.
All right, so let's look at up front here. Now, like I said, this is built on a Freightliner chassis. This is a commercial chassis, so it's gonna drive completely different than a regular Class C. Always diesel as well, right? Now, right up front here, you see there's a bed. So when you're parked, you're not going anywhere, you have another bed up front, which is really nice. And this one has a TV hidden up there. So you got your own entertainment system. Now, speaking of TVs, right above the entry door is your main TV, which is right across from the sofa. So when you're sitting here chilling, you've got a nice TV to watch, and it's also got a sound bar already there. Now, this is really comfortable. This would also slide down into a bed, so you can sleep people there. Same with the dinette. The dinette folds down and becomes a bed, so there's tons of sleeping space in here. Man, these are really plush. Isn't this nice?
This is really nice, yeah.
Right? Absolutely. Now look at this kitchen. Now this is super sweet, right? Nice little under counter mount sink, right? Nice residential faucet. Got your stove, and that's also solid surface, which is great.
It is. You have 3 rooms.
Awesome.
Microwave.
Convection microwave. Now look at this. This is a sort of digital coach. Like everything that operates in here goes through this digital system. You can put that on a pad. You can put it on your phone. All kinds of cool things.
Let's see. You have a nice freezer.
Oh yeah, and that looks like it's a 12 volt. Actually, I'm sorry. That is a regular residential refrigerator on an inverter. Now back here, what do we got? Oh, look at that! You got a washer dryer. Look at that! Awesome, full size. Excellent. This is really nice. Oh my gosh, look at this, bunks. Wow, this thing sleeps a ton of people. I wasn't either. And look, it's got a TV in there and a TV in there. This is like a little band bus. Take this on the road. All right. Back here, you've got your master. This is a king bed. It does have a sliding door, so you can have some privacy. All right, and across from the bed is sort of your closets, right? You've got some hanging room in there. There is some storage underneath here. From the looks of it, this is where you would put your electronics for the TV, which sit right up there. Now this bed, let's see, is there storage underneath the bed? I bet there is. Oh yeah, there's storage underneath here too, which is awesome. Okay. Let's see. I think we have only one last thing to do. One last thing. Oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for Tallman's Toilet Test.
Okay, so this is a porcelain foot flush toilet. And as you can see, I've got plenty of legroom. The only thing that's a little bothersome to me is right where the toilet paper holder is. It's right in the way. Of all places to put it, right where the elbow is. That's easily fixable. You can move that. But other than that, this would get a... All right, so nice countertop. Plenty of countertop space. It's all one piece. It's all molded, which is nice. Under here, you got plenty of storage underneath the sink. There's also some storage underneath this side. It's hard to see from there, but there's storage down there, as well as here. You do have a medicine chest sort of area. I'm not sure if this opens. Oh, it does open. 1.5, so you got a really big medicine chest. The one thing this particular bathroom is missing is, say, storage for towels and things like that. So you're gonna have to find a different place to carry to store those things. Now in this corner is the shower, and it's gonna be a little bit difficult for Lisa, so I'm gonna climb in, let her get in here. You can get in the bathroom if you want, and we'll just open it up. All right, so now I got plenty of head height in here, guys. My head isn't even in the bubble. I'm beneath the roof, which is great. The height of the shower head is at a decent height. There's plenty of room left to right. I do think it's kind of weird that the shower head's on the left-hand side, but I guess that's the best position for it. The only thing that really sucks is, at least for a tall guy, is you can see how much higher my head is from this, is you're probably gonna get some splashing over the top when you take a shower. But other than that, this is great. So this is also gonna get a... All right, look guys, tell us what you think of this. This is our first time in Valencia. Leave a comment below, all right? We appreciate you all watching the video, and until next time,